If you understand me, if you understand English movies, podcast and series, but you are blocked when when you want to speak English in front of anyone or front of camera mirror and when you want to speak English you find yourself blocked because this lack of muscles, lack of practice and lot of things. So today's topic is why many learners can understand English but they don't speak English. So if this problem is happens with you, so this video is for you. So today I want to talk about why many learners can listen English, reading English, but they don't speak English. Why? Friends, you can see I make lot of mistakes in my previous video and this video also, but I still speaking. So why are you afraid to make mistakes? This is common and mistakes are part of learning. If you make any mistakes, so it's totally fine. Don't afraid to make mistakes. And second thing is no one can bond with perfection. If you want to be fluent or speak English, then start from now. And today I want to share some solution with you that helps me a lot to improve my fluency and my accent. Lot of people said that learn 5 vocabularies daily basis. Instead of learning vocabulary, you can learn English chunks, English phrases, English idioms. This is a ready-made sentence. This is help you a lot and this helps me a lot also because when I learn 5 new vocabularies, I make sentence on in my own words, but when I start learning chunks, phrases, uh, I want to give some examples like to be honest. You can see the ready-made phrases or ready-made sentences that helps me a lot to make sentence. And don't make first huge of long sentences or huge numbers of sentences. Friends, if you are a beginner, so first start a small sentences. Make small sentences your daily habits, gratitude or daily routine. And your surrounding, whenever you do anything, start to speak English. Friends, you listen English, you reading English, but you don't speak enough, you don't practice enough, so that's why you don't able to speak English. Many learners uh, many learners are doing that same thing, like they're listening 1 hour, they're reading 1 hour English, but they don't speak 1 hour, at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can speak English in front of mirror anywhere, doesn't matter, place doesn't matter. Okay, so start speaking first, make your own sentence, a small sentence, and instead of learning vocabulary, start learning chunks and phrases. That helps me a lot and also help you to improve your English. And second thing is 4-3-2 method. This is used by many learners, many English teachers also. So what is 4-3-2 method? I want to share with you. Start a 4-minute talk about a topic and then start again 3 minutes talk about in a topic but very depth, and start for 2 minutes about summarizing. This is called 4-3-2 method, and this is used by many learners, many English teacher also. And this method helps me a lot, and you can also try this method to improve your English. For example, I'm a learner, but I will show you like one topic, like I love English teaching. Okay, so I want to talk about English teaching. So first I will Speak about 4 minutes. Why I do love English, why I love my and how many years I have been teaching English and how many student I have teaching. So this is I talk about 4 minutes. Then I speak 3 minutes about shadowing technique and how shadowing technique helps me or helps people to improve their English. And 2 minutes summarizing all of this what I will share with you. So this is called 432 method. You can also use it for improve your English because it helps me a lot. And start reading loudly. Don't afraid to make mistakes. And don't care about grammar mistakes or sentences or mistakes. It's common and it's a part of learning. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends or who is learning English like me and be a part of our journey. See you for day tomorrow. Thanks for watching.